So we're going to look at question 1, and because I think that we're struggling a little bit with how to deal with tree diagrams and probabilities surrounding tree diagrams. I'm going to show us a new technique potentially at some point in time, but for right now, we'll just go with the one that we've been using. So everything should be out of our hands. You should be eyes up. So Lane, which tree diagram have I drawn there?
Pardon?
Which tree diagram have I drawn there? The one with replacement or the one without replacement? Who thinks they know? Just give me a silent thumb if you think you know which one I've drawn with, just one of those. If you've drawn with or without replacement. Who has no idea? Give me a thumbs down if you've got no idea, thumbs up if you know. No thumbs, not seeing thumbs. Not seeing thumbs. It's a yes or a no. Alright, how do you know which one it is?
Because there's only 3
Very good. So, which one is it, with or without replacement?
with replacement. Without. Oh yeah, without.
Without replacement. So his justification was good. So Kai says this is without replacement, which would be my question A. And the reason he knows that is because how many marbles are in there originally? 5. In the second step, because this first line is like when I'm pulling out my first marble, the second one is when I'm pulling out my second marble. How many are in the second line? 4. So I clearly haven't replaced the marble, have I? So understanding the parts of the tree diagram is probably the first thing we're getting forward. What is defined as a success? Because the question's asking us to determine the probability. And the equation for probability is probability equals number of successes divided by
Number of trials.
So how many successes do we have there? 5.
Oh, 12.
12. Every one of my reds, correct? So I've got 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. So Kai effectively identified that we have 12 successes out of how many trials? Well, how many marbles am I pulling out in the second line? In the second trial, how many options do I have? 4 by how many? 5. 4 by 5 is? 12 over 20. Did you get? I'll explain why in a second. Explain why in a second. Who got that? If you didn't get that, you need to think about what we're doing and keep practicing. Okay? Identify why you didn't get that. Did you stuff up your number of successes? Did you stuff up your number of trials? If I want to convert this into a with replacement tree diagram, Jeff, what should I do?
Take away one of them.
Take away one of them? Doesn't depend. What happens if I pull out a green marble? What do I put back in? So in this bottom one, what would change? If I pulled out a green marble, have I got green in the next lot? So what do I need to do if I'm doing with replacement? Put the green back in so I have a little green arrow on the bottom, correct? What about for this one? Angus, what should I put in? Another red. The one above it? One above it? One above it? So what have I changed? Have I changed my number of trials? Well, now how many marbles, how many options do I have at each marble? 5 by? 5 by 5. Have I changed my number of trials? Yes. Have I changed my number of successes? How many successes do I have now? 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So for A and for B, the probability equals, I'll do the B in black pen, not red pen. For B, same formula, I'm just running out of room. I should put do proper workings. What do you think the R means? Probability of 2 reds. equals 16 over 25. Can I simplify that? No, I cannot. Trick question. Got you. Can I simplify the top one?
Yeah.
That becomes 6 over 10, which becomes 3 over 5. Or, in percentage, 60%, correct? Good. What's more likely, with or without replacement? With replacement, very good. Who would like another one of these questions to keep practicing? Because I feel like when two people in the room get it, they probably need another one. So I'll set another one of those. I'll give you some time to do this question here.
I got the opposite. So I feel like with replacement, I got like the opposite.
So you probably got the issue, not in your calculating your probability, but with your drawing your tree diagram for. So just think about what you're doing in your tree, that's fine. It's not a bad area to make, as long as you know why you made it.